Welcome to the Do This, It Works playlist from DashboardSymbols.com. Some time ago, we did a video that included a resolution to a blinking red light problem in a Bose SoundLink 2 that is clearly shared by thousands of you out there. However, there remain issues with some devices that are simply not recognized by the Bose updater. Up to now, the only options we could offer were to try a different computer or a different browser, and we received a single piece of feedback. So here we'll show the results of connecting a SoundLink to a PC and a Mac and 4 different browsers, and hopefully come up with a definitive answer as to whether or not this option will do any good. First, the Mac with its Safari browser. SoundLink recognized. Next, the PC and Google Chrome. Recognized. Firefox. Recognized. And Microsoft Edge. Recognized. So, there you are. Don't bother. If your device is not recognized by the updater, it would seem that, as the only responder Matthew Knott suggests, it's likely that the battery in the device is actually dead and needs to be replaced. And it's a less expensive option than buying another SoundLink. For more useful videos and information, generally on automotive technology, warning lights, and push-button start cars, look for more from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.